In today's video, AI trading bots. I'm just going to dive into some of the AI trading bots on the market and some tools that you can use that AI help you to have successful trades and automate your profits. Now, the first one I want to show you is Jonny blockchain. Now, this works with both a centralized exchange, Binance, and decentralized through a smart contract via your MetaMask wallet. Now, these yellowy color ones are Binance. These blue ones will be through MetaMask. And then if there's any red ones, these red ones are through MetaMask, but these are on the base blockchain, where these ones at the top here are on Binance Smart Chain. So Jonny blockchain automates your trades. Okay, you set it up, and I'll just show you. If I go into the settings here, and I'll switch it on to expert mode, I'll just walk you through what you can do here. This bot's already set up, but you choose a trading pair from this drop down here. You choose the exchange. I've got it set on Binance. And then what you would set here is, do you want it to run forever, just a single run, or stop buying? You know, these are for really bots that are already running. So this one or this one is what you choose, an info run or a single run. So that means it will do a buy, do a sell, and then it will close. It won't do any more. Where this one will do multiple buys and multiple sells. You can auto compound. As you can see, this bot's active. Over here, you set the amount that you want to trade with. So I'm trading with $20 over here. And down the bottom, you've got the trading strategy. Now, there's 38 lots in total, but I've deleted some of those off, and I've just got 3 lots trading here. So if I cancel that and come over to this new tool that we've got this new tool that says sell lots. Now, a lot of traders, let me tell you this, that trading robots are not guaranteed to make you money. That's not how they work. But what they do is they automate your trading for you. And we've got a default setting on the trading robots that work perfectly well. But if you want to adjust those settings, you can. But the bot will do what you tell it to do. It's not, it's not make the money grow on the trees type of thing, but it will get you a return. As you can see here, this bot has returned $17.46. Now, what a lot of trading robots do, and including this one, is sometimes they can get fake outs where they buy into the market only to have the market reverse on them, and it keeps dropping. And what it does is, a trading robot will DCA itself in as it goes down, and it sees various signals. It will buy into the market with the hope it reversing and picking up that profit. But sometimes bots become stagnant. And that means that, if you've got a set amount of funds, let's say you've got $300, for example, and you're trading with lots of $100 a time, if it buys 3 times, then you haven't got any more funds to trade with. And if the price keeps on dropping, then finds a sort of stable area. If I go over to Bitcoin, I'll show you what I mean. So imagine your bot bought up here, and then it started to DCA in as it got down here, and it run out of money somewhere around here. And it drops a little bit further, and then it starts to go up. So it could have bought here, but you didn't allow it to because you didn't have the funds available. It bought in maybe 1 or 2, 3 times coming down here, for example. And then it, run out of money here. And then what happened is it didn't get this buy at the bottom here. And then the market went up. It couldn't sell because it got nothing to sell because it never reached the price of what it maybe bought at over here. The market drops. It could have bought again, but it didn't because it's got no money available. And this pattern can happen to a lot of traders. Now, with trading robots, if we come back to Jonny blockchain, a lot of trading robots, you have to sell all the lots. You have to say, well, I'm going to cut and run. I'm going to get out. And, some people are okay with that, but you might not be okay with that. And you might say to yourself, well, I don't want to sell a complete loss. Well, in Jonny blockchain, we've got this fantastic tool here, which is sell lots. And if I click on it, you get this pop up. I've got 3 lots, and I'm going to switch it on because I don't need to, because the bots, I did it, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. But basically, you get this pop up. And rather than me selling all of them and losing all of this money, because I paid $20 here, $10 here, nearly $20 there. And you can see now, if I sell now, this would be what I'd get for them. But if I wanted to release some funds, I said, well, look, the bot's sitting in this stagnant area. It's in this sideways movement and it hasn't got any available funds, but it's missing out on trades. Well, what I could do is I could say, well, I'm going to sell this lot here. I'd click on that button. It would automatically sell that. I'd make a small loss on it, but it means it's released the funds so that it can start buying and selling into the market, and that hopefully will trade its way out of debt. So let me show you this in action. So if I come here and I click on this bot activity, this gives me all the trades. Now what I want to do is slide all the way down to the bottom. So here we are on the 5th of December. It's the 12th of December now. I decided to close one lot because my bot was sitting in what's, it was stagnant. It wasn't doing anything. The market was moving sideways, but there was a slight bit of movement, like you can see here with this Bitcoin. There's this up, there's down, there's up, there's down. So there's potential for the bot to buy, in this sideways market. But my bot was stagnant. So what I did is I sold a lot and I made a loss of 6 cents. And it's not a great loss, but some people say, well, I don't want to make a loss. But I took a loss. But you could see that the next trade the bot did on the same day, look, this was done at, nearly 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And then this one coming up to 2:45 in the afternoon, the bot bought again. It bought and it sold and it made a profit. As you could see there, it bought at 14.42 and then it sold at 15.02, made a profit of 8 cents. So the 6 cents that I'd lost, it's picked it up and I'm now in profit of 2 cents that I wouldn't have been in profit because my bot would have been sitting stagnant. And then it went on to do a 16 cents trade, a 9 cents, another 16, an 8, a 16, a 9, a 16, a 16. And now it's got an open trade that it's bought a couple of days ago and it's going to wait to sell that trade. So that's a great tool that you've got inside Jonny Blockchain. And this is where you can automate your trading and a little bit of management yourself. You can actually, get your bot to work for you when other bots would maybe be sitting around waiting for the market to change. Now, the next bot I want to show you is not available yet, but it will be coming to Jonny Blockchain in the near future. And I think you're going to like what you see. So let me first take you over to this dashboard that we've got here. Now, we've been optimizing this bot. Profits went up, went down purely because we were optimizing. Now, we did our latest optimize last night. And as you can see now, we've got a win rate of 65%, just over 65%. Obviously, we want to get that up a bit more. We've got one trade in the log here. And you can see that the profits at the moment are over here. So realized profits and unrealized is 327. Or if we look at what the bot's already locked in, it's 309. And that's got one position open and trading with $100. So let me show you the Telegram alerts that I get from this bot and show you how it's been doing. Now, these are the types of trading. There's 4 bots in here. So you've got a trend, you've got the scalp, you've got this mean reverse, and you've got the breakout. These are the 4 bots that we're using. They're running independently, but the idea is that we're going to amalgamate these 4 bots under a super bot. And that super bot will be AI driven, and it will decide on which bot to use based on the current market conditions. So let me show you the Telegram. So let's have a look here. I'm going to go from the bottom and just explain what you see on the screen. So if you can see, this was a mean reverse robot. It says closed, and it says the token was a file with Tether. And you can see at the rate that it closed at, and that was the rate that it bought in at. So it closed at 140, it bought in at 137. So that's a profit of 1.4%, bringing back a return of $1.67. And you'll see there it says reason. So the reason why it closed, trailing stop hit. Now we've built this bot with what's called a trailing stop loss. So basically, let's say that the bot buys in, right now into the market and the price goes up at 1%, hypothetically. The bot may have a trailing stop loss at 0.5%. So that means if the price went up above 0.5%, the bot now moves the stop loss up to that plus 0.5%. But we already know the price is at 1%, so it doesn't do anything. Now, if the price goes up by another, say 0.5%, the trailing stop loss will now move from 0.5% up to 1%. So now we know the bot's locked in at least 1% in profit. And if the price continues to go up by another 0.5%, the bot will move its trailing stop loss up again, locking in that profit. Now, when the market reverses and starts to go back down, it's going to hit the stop loss. And in this case, it made a profit of 1.47. Now, that's after fees, obviously. There's blockchain, in this case, it's trading on Binance. So that's the Binance fees taken into account. So this was the profit after any fees that Binance took. Now let's look at the next one. This one was just a buy, and it's telling you the type of buy it was. So this was for the trend bot. And the token it bought is in junction with the stable coin. It tells you there at the entry price. Well, obviously it hasn't got an exit at the moment, and it's trading with $100. The reason why it bought a strong bull trend. So that's why the bot bought into the market. This one here, it's closed. As you can see, this is the same bot as the one down here, that mean reverse. And it's trading ADA. It bought in at 0.42 and it sold at 0.425. As you can see there, not much, but it made 0.03% in profit. And if you look there, it says reason. It timed exit. So it means it bought 4 hours ago. This bot's not designed to hold tokens indefinitely. It wants to get out. Now, depending on the type of token it is and depending on the bot that's running, it will get out of the market anywhere from just over an hour up to 12 hours. So depending on the market conditions, the AI decides what it's going to set the time frame in. You know, these type of bots are used a lot for day trading because, you know, day trading, obviously you want to trade in the morning and exit in the before the day's finished. And that's what this would do. And this one came out of the market, but it still made 0.03%. Another one here closed. And this one here, again, look, exit out the market after 4 hours. That made a profit of 0.2%. This one again, look, 4 hours, exited out the market, made a profit of 2.0%. Now, you can see if you'd set your bot to have, say, 0.5% profit or 1% profit, this bot would have still been sitting, waiting to make money, holding the funds, and the price may never have gone up from the point that it bought in. It could have just done that sideways action. It never went up enough for the bot to close. But because this has got a time frame on it, the bot said, I'm getting out after, you know, on 4 hours, whether it makes a profit or not. And sometimes it will make a loss because the price would have dropped. But again, in this case, it made a profit. Coming up a little bit further, got another close there. And as you could see, it made 1.36%. So $1.56 made on $100. And you can see there, it says the reason for stopping, it hit the trailing stop loss again. So I don't want to go all through these, but you know, there's a ton of trades that this robot is able to carry out. And this robot we're going to be bringing to Jonny Blockchain. So if you want to get access to this robot, you'll need to have an active Jonny Blockchain account. So if you want to get access to this robot, then you need to create yourself an account with Jonny Blockchain, set up a robot. You can come in, try it for free. You can also use our paper trading tool, our virtual trading, and you can paper trade to see how a strategy does or a particular token does without risking any money whatsoever. Click the link below, create yourself a Jonny Blockchain account, and if you're interested to get access to this, let me know in the comments what you think about this new robot that we're working on. Now, the last bot that I want to show you is, it's not my company. It's nothing to do with me. I'm just an affiliate. And it's called Aurum. Now, at the moment, I'm getting around 12% per month. I've not been in it that long. I joined on the 1st of October. And so October, November, we're up to December now. So it's a very short time, but I'm getting around 12% a month. And if we look at the finances here, I wanted to show you the withdrawals. So if we look here, you can see I did a withdrawal on the 8th of the 11th, and that was for $28. And then I did 100, then a 1200, 361, a 74, a 56, a 56, a 66, 349, and 207. And then I shall be doing another withdrawal later on today. And then I'll be doing another withdrawal later on today, and I've got another $200. So if I get my calculator out, so far I've withdrawn out $2,516. And if I just plus that, I'll just round that up because it will be 200 time I withdraw it out. It's $2,700 in around about 28 days of those withdrawals. Okay, so I joined the first month. I didn't deposit in. I had a look in October. Didn't really get involved. I just understood the market. But you know, in 28 days I've withdrawn out $2,716. So if I divide that by 28, I'm roughly getting $97 a day. Now, if you want to get access to Aurum or Jonny Blockchain, below this video, you're going to find a link for Jonny Blockchain, which is jonnyblockchain.com. And you'll also find a link to join Aurum. This is a rotator link. I'm working with some other guys on that because they do run an affiliate program. You will be joining Aurum through one of our affiliate links, and you can find that on Aurum. So it's aurum.jeremyrush.online. If you want to get access to Aurum, you can join for free, have a look round, and then if you want, reach out to me or whoever you sign up under, and they'll help you get set up, and we've got a ton of videos to show you. Now, with Jonny Blockchain, I'm the CEO of this company, so if you want to join that, click the link below that says jonnyblockchain.com. And inside Jonny Blockchain, we've got a user guide, and these are all videos, they're all links to videos. So, you know, it tells you to watch this video first, important about how you deposit and set up your account. Your funds stay inside your wallet. If it's MetaMask and if it's Binance you're trading with, your funds stay in MetaMask. With Aurum, you send your funds to Aurum to trade with. You choose what your risk tolerance is, whether you want to keep your funds in your control or whether you're happy to give your funds to somebody else to trade for you. Now, Aurum are getting a daily return. Every day they give you a daily return. Jonny Blockchain doesn't give you a daily return unless the market says it can. You know, it's a trading robot. But we got a ton of videos in here to show you how to get set up. And of course, we've got a Telegram group, and you know, we've got support in there. You've got a support for Aurum as well. So if you want to get access to Jonny Blockchain or Aurum, below the video you'll find a link, or you may want to choose both. You could come and join both. It's entirely up to you. Thanks for watching. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.